of any place right off that you can go in this immediate area and get a truck, a bed, a trailer, a horse trailer, a dump trailer, whatever it may be. So, basically it's a one-stop shop for whether you're a farmer, business owner, construction worker. A lot of people may come from out of state. We have people come from all over. I mean, any big dealership, I'm sure has people come from all over. But, we'll have somebody come and be looking at a truck. Well, I didn't know y'all have these. And, next thing you know, then obviously the repeat business, you have people that bought a truck or trailer a couple of years ago and they need another one, or a truck bed. We do a lot of truck beds. People already got a truck and they need a bed. We do a lot of upfit stuff as far as, somebody may have a truck that just wants a ball in the bed, a gooseneck ball. So we sell and install those. We do a lot of upfits on the, Jeeps, trucks, lift kits. Very rarely do we have any warranty issues, but we take care of all of them here, whether it be a weld or wiring or whatever it may be. And we work around people's schedule, drop stuff off, pick stuff up, because 90% of these people that are buying this stuff, they're making a living with it. Treat people the way you or I want to be treated, and do them right, fair price, and they'll come back and they'll be happy.